What is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today, and I'm just doing a recap like always. Just the daily progress of growth. My goal to reach $1 million within at maximum 3 years. So that's 3 years to make $1 million. I counted it out, and it would take around 7% a week, or even less, just 7% a week consistently gaining on my portfolio starting from $200, and that would lead me to $1 million. I mean, this week we started off pretty well, up like 5%. That's not bad, and I'm pretty sure we can hit 7% a week. It's not going to be that bad, and if not, making $1 million in 4 years is also fantastic, starting from $200. Alright guys, so I'm going to talk about the stocks that I was trading today and let you guys know what I think about them. So, Diaz, I bought one share. Was that today or yesterday? I'm pretty sure that was January 24th. I don't know what day it is. Let me check really quick. January 24th. Alright, yeah, so I bought it today. And right now I'm looking at the futures and I decided that I have to cut my losses unless it makes like some futuristic rebound right now. I don't know, because it's at the support right now, and it's the last place where it could bounce out. If it doesn't, I'm gonna have to cut my losses, lose the $3 or $4 on this stock, and move on to something else or trading the inverse of it. Because if so, you can't really tell well on this graph, but natural gas and the ETF for natural gas is UGAS. DGAS and UGAS are inverses of each other. So UGAS was trending down recently, and it started to reverse starting today. And it's at the point right now where it could hit the resistance and fall back down and continue trending down. But since it's already right at the resistance, I'm pretty sure it's just going to break it. It's going to continue to trend up. So that's where I have to really quickly sell my DGAS and buy some of UGAS so I can follow UGAS on the uptrend, where it'll probably go up to the highs of around $54. So let's see. If I got in at $48 and held it to $54, that's around a $6 profit. That's over 10% potential for profit on this stock. I just have to be quick and cut losses really fast. If something's not going my way, I have to cut losses so I don't tank on one stock and don't lose all my money on one stock. So that's what I'm working on right now. And second stock right now I see is TQQQ, and TQQQ is it's an ETF, and it goes according to like the Nasdaq, except it's like more volatile. And recently, it's been trending upwards, and it's right at that spot. It bounced off right here, and I'm pretty sure it's going to continue to uptrend, but we have no idea still because it's at the previous support right here. And I feel like it's going to continue to uptrend to around $49 maybe, which would be a pretty nice profit. So I have two shares, so that's like $20 almost. So that would be really nice. That'd be 10% portfolio gain. That's fantastic. And I think that, I just have to wait and see and just act upon what happens because I can't change the price anyway. So, what's going to happen if this happens? If the stock continues, like it drops down below, like, where it is right now, if it drops below the low of $41, then I will probably have to cut losses and sell and probably switch on to SQQQ, which is the inverse of TQQQ. Right here, SQQQ, and this one will probably try to reverse, and if it does end up reversing, then it also has huge profit margins, probably at least $16. It would go up to $16. So it turns out that it would be a whopping 14% if TQQ does break the support and it falls below. Then I will switch on to SQQQ, buy it in, and potentially make 14% or even more. It could have a huge spike like it did before, make 25%. Who knows? You can never tell like 100%, but you can still predict the trend. So that's basically all for today. And I'm just looking at these two stocks. These two commodities, kind of. No, okay, let's call these four stocks. So I'm looking at UGAS, DGAS, which are inverses of each other. UGAS and DGAS, as well as SQQQ and TQQQ. And these are following the NASDAQ. So if NASDAQ goes up, TQQ goes up. And if NASDAQ goes down, SQQQ goes up. And in after hours, stock market fell a tad bit, so SQQQ started going up a little bit. But we'll see tomorrow what happens, and I'll update you with my trades, see if we make bank tomorrow or we lose. Alright, guys? Thanks for watching and have a great day.